You searched how to buy shares of CGI Group. CGI Group is a global IT and business consulting firm listed on NASDAQ under the ticker GIB, and this quick guide shows the practical steps. This content is educational and not financial advice. To trade shares, you need a broker. I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account, typically with an identity document, and you will also need to add funds to place an order. Use the platform search box and type the ticker GIB to locate CGI Group. Make sure you select the listing that matches NASDAQ and the GIB ticker to avoid the wrong instrument. Open the stock page to review basic company information and the price chart. Confirm the company name and ticker on the page so you are sure this is the correct CGI Group listing. Click Invest or Trade. Enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review the order details before you confirm. If the market is closed, the order may be queued for the next session, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. After the purchase, your new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. If you want to follow the same steps, the eToro link is available in the video description.